HSP. Just wanted to get the camera out today, kind of show you about what we're working on. I got the roamer arm out, trying to get some good information out the L5P trucks to keep developing our more products. I can give you a little run around. Check it out in the truck. It's pretty neat. So basically, what I can do is the arm itself is linked to the laptop, and it will scan all the different components in the engine bay, and it'll give me kind of like a point cloud to where once I go into the CAD data, I have a reference point, so I'll know exactly where the faces of the turbos are, where AC lines are, where coolant lines are, all the different components in the truck. And basically what we're trying to do is just kind of take all of our manufacturing and products, everything to the next level. We want stuff to fit like factory. We want stuff to have good clearance and not wear out over time on different components of the truck. And this definitely takes a step in the right direction for that. Come on in a little closer. I'll show you the kind of what it's giving you. So basically, this is kind of how the data comes in, and then we will export it as like they call it polygonal model, and it's just made up of a bunch of planes and surfaces, so then once I get it in the CAD, I can design and develop all the products over that, and I kind of know the basics of where all of our limits are as far as the all the components in the truck. Yeah, let us know what other things you guys like to see. We are going to try to do a little bit more of the video content around the shop here. We'd like to really fill you guys in and show you what we're working on and get input from you. We're trying to build stuff for you guys that you want, and what makes life easier for you and makes your truck better, faster, cooler, and we'll go from there. I'm going to explain to everybody what this is doing.